Hi, my name is Nirvaan Pal. I'm a member of the class of 2025 here at Xavier, and I'm from Hoboken, New Jersey.
Hi, I'm Francesco DeLorenzo-Velez. I'm a member of the class of 2024 and I live in Brooklyn, New York. Today, we're taking you on a tour of the surrounding area of Xavier High School, Union Square.
Behind us, we can see the beautiful Church of St. Francis Xavier. It's located right next to Xavier, and we use it as an assembly place for the various masses and prayer services that happen throughout the school year. I myself, as part of the liturgy and a part of the choir, can say that it's a beautiful space inside.
Blue Valley Deli, located on the corner of West 16th Street and 6th Avenue, has been a staple of Xavier breakfast since at least the early 1960s. Sons of Xavier come here every morning to get breakfast before their day at school. I often come here at least once a week to get a turkey bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll. Nirvaan, what do you often get when you come here?
I personally love the classic BLT, maybe with the Snapple.
Union Square is a center of meeting for Xavier students overall. Students commute here from many different places. Nirvaan, how do you commute to Xavier High School?
I personally take the path into 14th Street, but here at Union Square there are about 8 subway lines which come in. Personally, I think it's perfect because it's a perfect place for all of us to hang out and to get home easily.
Even though there might be a bit of scaffolding going on, Max Burner still remains to be one of the best places in the Union Square area, one of my personal favorites. It has one of the best selections of chocolate, cookies, ice cream, and it's also a restaurant. What's better than that?
Right here in the background is the Strand bookstore, and it's one of my favorite places here in the city. I think that it's the perfect place for new, used, and rare books, and personally, my favorite section is the music section downstairs, where there are a bunch of old theory books and old music records for musicians like me. Situated right next to Xavier and Union Square, University Place is always a happening place. It's surrounded by some other schools like NYU and the New School, so it's a great place for high school students at Xavier to engage in some pre-college activities. And it also has some amazing restaurants and stores. It's a hidden gem for me because not a lot of Xavier students know about it, but through this video, hopefully you can visit.
Although we didn't get to show you everywhere that students like to visit in Union Square, we got to show you some of the highlighted areas of interest from us and a lot of the Xavier community. We hope to see you in the area soon, and please come visit us on 16th Street. Thank you for watching.